Dear lovers, this is the English explanation and summary for the episode 9 of the series My Love Mix-Up. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Illumination Festival was approaching and the class was excited to celebrate New Year's party on the same day. Hashimoto was looking for something sweet to make, as Illumination Day is also a day of confession. So Aoki encourages Hashimoto to try confessing again to Akun as they have become more friendlier. Akun, not knowing about it, suggested her to make cupcakes for the day. Hashimoto asked Aoki how is his and Ida's relationship going, and he tells that they have held hands. She was happy for them. He said that he knows that the next step is a kiss, but he is not sure if Ida would like that. But as usual, she encourages him that maybe Ida feels the same. So now Aoki's mind is always revolving around it. Aoki was always careful not to get caught with Ida by anyone, as it may affect their image. Ida gets Aoki's consciousness and asks if he wants to meet outside of school. So now it was a date between them. They went out and were having a great time just being by themselves. They held hands in public and was so happy. Aoki made a movie reservation for them, and the movie was about a dog who looked like Ida's dog Mamitaro. Ida admires that how much Aoki gives a thought to this outing, but in the end, Aoki was upset as the movie ends with the death of the dog. So to comfort him, Ida took Aoki to his house to see the lively Mamitaro and be relived. As Ida told that no one was at home, Aoki was conscious and Ida could read him and thought that was this the feeling of liking someone. They were playing games when the tea spilled on Ida. He needed to change, so Aoki closed his eyes. To see him like this, Ida was enjoying teasing him. But Aoki took it seriously. He thought that Ida doesn't like him sincerely, and that's the reason he is making fun of him and leaves. Ida was unhappy. Aoki started ignoring him. Aoki told everything to Hashimoto and Akun. Although they tried to console him, but Aoki says that Ida has never said that he likes Aoki, and as he can't leave him alone, so they were dating. Hashimoto suggested that they should make cake together, and Aoki should give it to Ida and get the confirmation of Ida's feeling, as what matters was that Aoki liked Ida. Ida was upset and Toyodo was all up to hear his problem. He understands his friend well and asks if he is dating Aoki without realizing if he likes him or not. He says that he understands that Ida never says no to people, may it be adopting Mamitaro or joining volleyball. But having pity on Aoki will be disrespectful to his feelings. He wanted Ida to seriously think about his feelings for Aoki, otherwise it would be painful for them both. Aoki saw Ida looking towards him, but they are both hiding their feelings under a smile. Some students tell Ida that they saw him holding hands with Aoki and asked if they are dating. So guys, if you liked the video, please watch for the next episode. That is episode 10. Thank you.